one Buddhist teacher was asked to describe the world, and his description was lost in thought. That we spend most of our time in a virtual reality. If you pause and even just think of today, I know this works for me, if I just glance back at the day, I realize how much of the day, the swaths of moments that I was living inside that incessant dialogue going on in my brain. And if we look even more closely and say, well, what was the atmosphere? What was the kind of flavor of the thinking? Then we kind of get a sense of the experience we were living inside of ourselves and the world, and whether we're the endangered, oppressed victim, or whether we were in some way being the hero, rescuer, or whatever roles we were playing, but we start getting a sense of the identity we were living in. Very, very interesting.